Hi friends, welcome to Solar Mama's ABCs of Solar Energy, where we're breaking down solar power one letter at a time. I'm Solar Mama, and today we are in letter R for renewable. Solar as a source that keeps coming back, kind of like your favorite TV show with new episodes. Unlike coal or oil that run out, solar taps the sun, which shows up every day. We'll compare it to other energies, talk sustainability, and share stories. If you're wondering why go renewable, think of it like switching to a refillable water bottle. Practical and better long term. Ready? Let's flow with renewables. Renewables are energy from nature that don't quit. Sun for solar, wind for turbines, water for hydro. Non-renewables like fossil fuels are limited, and they eventually dwindle. As I've mentioned in previous videos, the solar's sun delivers 173,000 terawatts daily, which is plenty for everyone. In 2024, renewables made 25% of US electricity. 7% was from solar. One of our homeowners here in Colorado that has a 5 kilowatt system refers to their solar as a forever friend because they're saving about $1,000 every year on their utility bill. Similar to growing herbs at home versus going to the store and buying them. So let's compare all the different renewables. Solar makes power without any smoke, while coal puffs out CO2. So that's like a 5 kilowatt solar system, avoiding 5 tons of CO2 yearly, so like planting 250 trees. Wind and hydro are great, but need particular spots. Solar fits most places. It's like having a portable charger versus a wall outlet. Let's look at the sustainability aspect. Solar cuts dependency on fuel that lasts 50 to 150 years, according to the BP. No big digs or spills. And in 2024 alone, solar saved millions of tons CO2 globally. Systems keep the land clean, like composting scraps for better soil. There's a community center in Oregon. They have an 8 kilowatt solar system, which makes about 10,000 kilowatts per year, saves about $1,500, and cuts 7 tons of CO2 annually. That's like planting 350 trees. The staff teach kids under it, so it's like a garden where they're learning education and they're also learning to feed themselves too. In places like Kenya, solar means steady time without fumes, like rechargeables versus disposables. So looking ahead to the future of renewable energy, it's an exciting time filled with promise and rapid transformation. By 2030, projections show that renewable sources could make up 40% of US electricity, which is a massive leap from today's levels. And solar power is leading the charge, according to the SEIA. Solar alone is on track to provide 20% of the nation's electricity by that year. That's enough to power tens of millions of homes, slashing carbon emissions, creating hundreds of thousands of jobs in manufacturing, installation, and maintenance. Imagine cleaner air, lower utility bills, and energy independence, all driven by the sun. But this isn't happening by accident. Innovations are expanding solar's reach in incredible ways. Floating solar farms are opening up new spaces without using land, and farmers are able to grow crops under the panels, combining food production with energy. Add in advanced battery storage like massive lithium-ion and flow batteries to store excess power during nighttime or cloudy days, and smart grids that optimize distribution with AI. These tech advances are making renewables reliable, affordable, and accessible even in remote or urban areas. Globally, the story's even bigger. Solar capacity is projected to soar to about 5.3 terawatts by 2030, enough to generate 22,000 terawatt hours clean electricity annually. That's quadrupling from current levels, powering billions worldwide and accelerating the fight against climate change. From China's massive solar deserts to Europe's rooftop revolutions, renewables are reshaping our planet. In short, the future of energy is bright, sustainable, and within reach. Whether you're a policymaker, business leader, or everyday citizen, now is the time to invest in the green wave. Our planet depends on it. So what's your take on renewables? Comment below. So here's a quick recap. Renewable solar is clean, endless, and it keeps on giving. So that's R for renewables. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for S, hit the bell so you don't miss the next one, and we'll see you on the next episode.